That was a good one. That was a good one. Ooh, that was steaks too. All right, what up, y'all? This is part two. Or you just? Well, that one was waiting for a very long time. I'm about to. I switched it to Super Smash Brothers because I was getting bored. So, y'all gonna see how good I am, I guess. Come on, come on now. Smash the sounds. Okay, I gotta pause it. Go! That's for trying me, dude. Yeah, boy! Back up! Oh! You got rocked, boy. Now he's gonna get slippery on me. I don't think so, buddy. That's right. Samus. Will you just die already? That's right, just fly away to another land. Far, far away. Not getting me this time. Sorry. Stupid villager. I think the computer heard me say that. Are you serious? It's gonna be a... Come on! frick out of here! Get the frick out of here! Oh. Game and Watch. Why is it giving me the weird ones? Yeah, he's trying. I know you. I see you. Oh yeah, he would. I know Mr. Game & Watch. I know all his moves. Get out of here. He's so easy to destroy. He's like a piece of paper. Alright, piece of paper. He's like, what? I'm gonna throw bacon at you. You ain't throwing my bacon. Ow. Now give me that bacon. Give me that bacon. No, not a turtle. He's trying to take me out. Did you see that? What the heck? What was that? Stupid computer. Huh? What do you hear? Nope. I won. I'm gonna get my horse. But my voice is not gonna be hoarse. So you better not be a whore. Got me a rainbow sherbet, dude. I didn't play that right. Why'd they do that? Now guess what we gonna do, Epona? We gonna cut the grass. We gonna cut the grass. You're getting paid $10,000. You're gonna be cutting the grass like a lawnmower. Yeah, my horse is invincible. You can't bomb me. This is how you collect items. There's a little tip for you. You go around the whole field. Ask for a job. Can I mow the lawn? Come on! Tell me now! What, you can't jump down there, Epona? You scaredy cat. You can jump over this, can't you? Come on now. Good girl. You can't even go past the tree, can you? I'm gonna get revenge on this bird. Watch. Watch this. Where are you? Where are you? Oh! Taking my money, you jerk! Come on, die! I want to eat you for dinner. Probably tastes like a vulture. What are you, a vulture? Like a big-headed vulture, dude. Yeah, that's right. Give me your money. Woo! Got revenge for you guys. There's no grass over here. What the heck? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm about to cut this short. Hope you enjoyed. I got revenge. So that's a good coin to protect. Yeah, you better know that I'm going to put you in check. Yeah, you better know that you're gonna be left for the dead. Yeah, you're gonna be left for the dead, and you're gonna be killed like a pred. You're gonna get definitely dead. Yeah, buddy. Cutting the grass. Stay out of my way, blob.
It's not a blob. It's something else. It's got a name, you know.
I don't care, Navi.
I'm not Navi. That's my cousin, but I'm not related to her.
Oh, you're cousins, but you're not related. That really makes sense, you idiot.
Well, I don't want to be related to her. She's a jerk. And I tattle on her all the time.
Bam, boy! Cutting all the grass. Get out of my way, blobby air. Have some blobby air today. You're just empty calories. Gelatin blob. Empty calories. You got it? Don't ever eat Jello. Unless it's pure gelatin. from the hooves of a cow. Yeah, you better know now. Alright, I'm going to the next level. Get out of my way. Come on, jump over it, horse. Is it really that painful? Oh, what the heck? He likes me. Get out of here. You like me?
You know about the like, right? It eats whatever you're carrying. You better defeat it if you want your stuff back.
You have the same traits of that bird. You steal things from me. Well, not today, buddy. And I'm not eating no sludge today. Alright guys, I'll see you. I'm about to bring this to a close. And just keep in mind that I've been working a lot and trying to get money. This is give me that ocarina guitar. I gotta memorize, buddy. No! The thing about this, it doesn't have seed buttons. No pun intended.
Cinnamon is the winner, man.
Cinnamon is the winner, man. Being a lot of toast, cinnamon toast crunch is the bomb, dude. But I think it gives me the runs. So, and I sprint to the bathroom with the runs. No pun intended, buddy. Alright, turtle. I'm gonna be nice to you. I won't make turtle soup out of you.
Whoa, that's a huge water wheel. Yeah, no duh. Fairy. Don't call me that.
You freaking fairy!
Wow. Wow.
He's gonna dive into the cement. Are you kidding me? Get out of my way, boy.